Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Again, welcome back to the Formula Sports channel, guys. We're still excited. We're still excited. We're still happy. The Jamaica Reggae Girls are on their way to the FIFA Women's World Cup in Australia. Knock up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also share the video as well. Free and easy ways to support the channel. Yo, me have to run it again, Hold on. We have to run it again. Jamaica, boom! Jamaica, boom! Big shout out to the Jamaica Reggae Girls. Congratulations to the girls again for accomplishing such a massive feat in Jamaica's football. Back-to-back World Cup qualification. Knock up the like button for the Reggae Girls, guys. Knock up the likes button. But we want to highlight two of our Reggae Girls. Now, all of the girls did well in this tournament, especially in the Haiti game. All of the girls at some point in time would have really showed their class and would have played a massive role in helping the Reggae Girls get to the next upcoming World Cup. But I want to highlight these two particular individuals. These two ladies on your screen, Rebecca Spencer and Drew Spence. Me personally feel like giving them a special shout out. You have some notable mentions like Khadija Bonnie Shaw, obviously Alison Swaby as well. For me is another, notable mention. But these two ladies, Becky Spencer and Drew Spence, the goalkeeper and the CDM, we have to give them props. Becky with the good hands, the big goalkeeper out of Tottenham Hotspur, is a reason why Cinella Marley after the Mexico game said, "Come girl, let me kiss your hands." Becky Spencer, for me, our woman of the tournament is either Becky Spencer or Drew Spence. Me personally, I'll give the edge to Becky Spencer. She started and played all three games and she was exceptional. Exceptional when you talk about world-class shot-stopping, ladies and gentlemen. Exceptional. The Reggae Girls version of Andre Blake when it comes to shot-stopping. Andre Blake with very good distribution. Because obviously Becky Spence is very good with the distribution and is known for something, known for the distribution. I wasn't so pleased with her distribution during the first two games, I thought it could have been a bit better. That's the only thing I'm not Becky for. Not that it was bad, but I've seen her have better games from the standpoint of distribution. In the third game, however, her distribution was very much on point. And the world-class shot stopping, the amount of big saves Becky Spencer made in this tournament for the Jamaica Reggae Girls. Without Becky, we would not be jumping up and down because we're going to the next World Cup. Becky was phenomenal. Some amazing shots that were stopped, saved, dig it out by Rebecca Spencer. Becky with the good hands. Up next, we're talking about the big CDM Drew Spence. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. If the Reggae Boys had a pivot player like Drew Spence, I personally think would have probably snatched the 4th place player to go to the Men's World Cup in Qatar. If we had a CDM like Drew Spence, a boy version of Drew Spence and the Reggae Boys team, the Reggae Boys would have encountered far more success in the recently concluded Men's World Cup CONCACAF qualifying. Drew Spence has been phenomenal. When you talk about lively in the middle of the park, a live wire, the energy that she brings in the middle of the park, the movement, the purpose, the desire, the work ethic, right? The amount of dangerous plays Drew Spence broke up this entire tournament. The only reason why I give Becky the edge over is because Drew Spence did not play all the games. Of course, you know the gaffer rested her for the second game, which garnered him a fair bit of criticism. But I think is a reason why he did it. He saved her for this Haiti game. He wanted her to be in tip-top shape for this particular Haiti game. Drew Spence in the middle of the park for the Reggae Girlz was phenomenal. In the Mexico game, I had a little bit of criticism of her. I thought her passes were not always on point. I mean, they were good mostly, but there were 1 and 2 times where the passing could have been better. I don't know, probably me being a little bit harsh. But apart from that, when you talk about winning the ball back and getting the team going in transition, when you talk about a serious shield to the backline, when you're talking about breaking up plays, dangerous opposition plays, Drew Spence was excellent in this tournament on both sides of the ball. She had a phenomenal tournament, ladies and gentlemen. An absolutely phenomenal tournament. Even when she came on as a second half substitute in the second game, in the US game, me personally, I thought we looked considerably better in the middle of the park when Drew Spence came on, even though she was playing out of position. My woman of the tournament, Rebecca Spencer, Drew Spence as well. We have to big them up. I thought these two ladies were the best performers rather for the Reggae Girlz in this tournament. I had to give them a special shout out. Without them, I think this tournament would have gone a lot differently. That's the size of the impact that these two ladies made. So guys, that's my 2 cents. Knock up like button, subscribe, and also share. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.